If you've started looking into manufacturing an adhesive part, it can start getting overwhelming really fast. You might be looking at your part thinking it needs to be slit in one facility, printed at another, die cut somewhere else entirely, and needs to go somewhere to be packaged and sterilized. This means multiple vendors that you have to manage, multiple shipments that you have to keep track of, and you're just opening the door for more opportunities for things to go wrong and impact your total supply chain. But what if all of those setups could happen on one continuous production run? That's where one-pass productions change everything. You might be looking at your final product wondering how it's all going to come together. While it might be true that your product requires a lot of individual steps, that doesn't mean those steps have to occur on separate machines. We invested in advanced rotary die cutting systems, allowing us to take roll goods and to die cut them, heat seal and package, and finish parts at the end of the press that eliminate all of those separate vendors we talked about earlier. By integrating all of these steps into one process, this allows us to be more efficient with a higher level of precision and be able to produce these parts at a quicker rate than separate processes would yield. But in traditional multi-pass models, these same steps would require separate runs. Each pass adds time, cost, handling, and risk. Risk is not only for contamination each time you set up and tear down the press, but it's also an opportunity for something to go wrong in each individual step, which can lead to more waste in the long run. One of the most important parts of a one-pass production is the reduction of contamination risk. Anytime a material is put on a machine, taken off, transported to a different part of the facility or a different facility altogether, it's an opportunity for contamination to get into your parts. In high performance or medical applications, that risk has significant consequences. Many medical products must be sterilized under strict regulatory guidelines. And in traditional multi-pass setups, sterilization can occur before converting, or even after packaging. Each time the product is handled, the risk for contamination is present, which can require additional sterilization. By minimizing human interaction and keeping the product in one controlled environment from start to finish, one-pass productions often reduce the amount of handling and the required amount of sterilization steps. Fewer sterilization passes not only help reduce costs, but they also help us produce those parts faster and get you to market faster. One-pass productions are simply engineered to improve your part and production process. One-pass productions are great for simplifying communication and transportation. Instead of jobs having multiple facilities and multiple stakeholders, each executing their own piece, it's all done under one roof by one team with a clear and transparent plan. Over time, this leads to increased production speed, improved dimensional accuracy, reduced labor, fewer vendors to manage, lower transportation costs, and significantly minimized contamination risk. For high volume productions or parts that are looking to scale in the near future, those advantages compound, allowing you to have those parts cheaper, quicker, and with less risk. One-pass production is particularly well suited for high volume, high complexity, and high performance benchmark parts, especially in medical, industrial, or the highly regulated markets where contamination control is necessary. Designing for one-pass productions from the beginning allow manufacturers to simplify the supply chain, reduce risk, and create a more scalable path to market. At Strauss, the goal is not to just die cut materials, but to engineer complete, flexible material solutions. If you're looking to streamline your manufacturing process, reduce the risk for contamination, and overall just deliver a part that's simpler to make while still achieving your technical and physical requirements, one-pass production might be for you. To learn more about converting or the converting process and how we might be able to help you with your part, feel free to check out our Learning Center, where we have articles and videos on lots of topics related to flexible material manufacturing. Thanks for watching.